It is what it is. Yeah, it's Mora FC. Yeah, you can see how beautiful my nieces are enjoying these clothes. Yeah, this is the part 2 of it. Yeah, I'll leave the part 1 link in the description below. So go grab it out and watch the part 1 and come and join the part 2. To understand, it is what it is, Mora Fashion City. So let's get started. You just have to measure the chest. We all know the chest, you divide it into 2, then you have it showing your loved one. So I'm checking everything, getting the accurate measurement for the chest, going down to check the waist. It is what it is, Mora Fashion City. Yeah, Mora Fashion City is where greatness happens. So I'm checking the waist. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell me what you think, you know. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, marking everything. Yep, still checking the waist. Yeah, you can see how it has turned out to be. So beautiful. Yep, so nice, so beautiful. So like I said, this is a part 2 of it. I will leave the part 1 in the description box below. Check the link and watch the part 1. Come for the part 2. So we're gonna do the skirt, the waist part of it, you know, the pleated part of it. I just lose it. You can see how I lose the number. I put it freely. You know, I just lose it all. You can use your hand to do this kind of stuff. You know, some people don't know how to use the machine to do this kind of stuff. I can show only one on it and do it, but hey, for the tutorial's sake, I'm just going through 2 times. You can see how I lose everything out on the speed of the sewing. Just have to leave it freely. If you don't want to sew a pocket on it, you just have to leave the fabric like that. Leave one place, only one place open. But if you want to put 2 pockets on it, you just have to open the other side, divide it into 2. You know, when doing stuff like this, you can even make a pleated skirt. You just have to follow the principle. When you make a pleated skirt on it, just have to add your waistband. So I'm just opening, I'm dividing the thread into 2. We have the upper one, we have the below one. So I'm just opening up. So I'll grab 2 of it. Here the upper one or the lower one that you can grab. You grab and you start pulling it like this. Just little by little, take your time and pull it. Don't go fast, because when you go fast and the thread got torn, you just have to redo it again. Remove the thread and redo it again. So you just have to take your time, pulling it little by little. When you reach to half of it, then you go to the other side of it and do it. This Mora FC, Mora Fashion City, is where greatness happens. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Like I said, you can follow this the same process to make a pleated skirt. When you are making a pleated skirt, you just have to get your waist measurement and your length. That's it. You don't need for the hips. Like I said, after doing half of it, then count the other side of it and do half to join it together. That's the easier way. That works so nice for you. But you want to do it straight away, it's up to you. But this is how I do my stuff. Like I said, you can do the same process to do your pleated skirt. What you gotta do is just have to waistband and the length of your skirt. That's it. And you do follow this process. If you don't want a pocket, you just have to leave it like that and do it. If you want a pocket one side, you just have to sew one side of the pocket. But if you want 2-sided pocket, you just have to divide the fabric into 2. So this one, because there's a 2 pocket I'm gonna do, I divided the fabric into 2. When I'm done with this, I'll do the same thing to the other part of it. So take the your time doing this. It is what it is, more of Fancy City. They're trying to do something for my niece. They were going there. It was a festival, so they're trying to get something to wear out and go out. So I decided, let me do something for them. So I'm checking the measurement in the waist. You can see it's two there. It's two. One is at the bottom, one is at the top. So I'm just checking the waist to know that I've got an accurate measurement. Sometimes you're gonna do like this, and the waist is big, and sometimes it's small. So you just have to adjust it together. When it's small, just have to open it a little bit and adjust it. So I'm joining it. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment. It is what it is. More rap Fancy City is where business happen. Yep. Thank you for watching. This is just a simple stuff. You gotta take, create something, do something, try your hands on it. Like what I just said on a pleated skirt, you can just try your hands on it and work it out and see before I do a tutorial on it. I'm just giving you a clue before I even do a tutorial on it, so you to get a clue of it about pleated skirt, so it become easy for you. You can try your hand on it before I start that tutorial. Yeah, like I said, this is the part 2 of this dress. The part 1, I will leave the link in the description below. Make sure you go grab it, click on it and watch it, and can continue with the part 2. For you to understand, you can see I'm putting my hands in the package. The package is being done. Boom. See how beautiful it is? So you just have to join it. I'm going to join the two of them together. So you gotta watch how I join it. We have side by side, we have joined side by side, so you just have to match it to each side. Make it look professional, beautiful. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Yeah, let me give a big shout out to my wife. She's an amazing wife. Hey, beautiful wife. My number 1 fan, my number 1 supporter. It's good to have a wife that supports your movement. As a relationship, you guys have to support each other movement. Help each other. My wife has been full supportive, and I will appreciate her a lot, and I love her so much. Yeah, my beautiful Angela Davis. So big shout out to my beautiful wife. Like I said, we are joining it together. It is what it is. Let me put some motivation in the video a little bit. When you're doing something, you gotta have to keep on doing what you're doing. Keep on moving now. Don't stop. Keep on pushing yourself. It doesn't care only one person support you what you are doing. It does never care. Don't put your mind on it. Sometimes you're doing certain stuff and people don't understand what you're doing. It's up to you to keep on doing. Don't give up. If you don't understand what you're doing, just keep on doing. Let someone get to understand what you're doing. Don't give that full support. So keep on doing whatever you're doing. Keep on running. Keep on believing in your dream. You gotta keep fighting for what you believe in. Remember, you believe in what you believe in is very strong, very important what you believe in. So never give up on what you believe in. Never give up what you believe in. It can be great. So keep on fighting. There are gonna be an obstacle from the way. Never stop. Keep on pushing yourself. we're done. Thank you so much for watching.